Hello beautiful ladies, it's Arena here today. Welcome to my channel. I just started this channel not too long ago, so I'm really excited to get started with YouTube and everything. And if you are new to my channel is going to be focused on doing more simplified looks and more natural looks. I definitely think that there are I definitely think that with all of the makeup trends that are going on, I definitely think that it's so easy to get carried away with, using all sorts of contour and like concealer and like everything. But my kind of makeup is going to be a little bit more simple because, like realistically, I don't do like contour. I don't do all of that stuff like every day. I probably only do it if I have like a special event that I'm going to, but normally, to go to the store or to run errands or just day by day, I don't do all of that. So I wanted to do makeup that was a little bit more, not realistic, that's not the word, but more easy to do on a day-to-day basis that doesn't require a lot of time. So right now, you guys, I'm going in with my BB cream. I'm using the Misha number 21. It's from the Friends line, and BB cream has helped me a lot even out my skin tone. I know that I still have some issues, but it's helped me a lot with redness. Usually I get a lot of redness, and sometimes like if I'm out in the heat, I get like rosacea. It looks like rosacea. Is it rosacea or rosacea? Oh, sorry, I might be saying that wrong, but I just know I get a lot of redness on my cheeks, and I hate that. I really hate that. So BB cream has definitely helped me even out my skin tone, and it protects it. It has sunscreen, so I also find that it protects my skin. So yeah, so let me go ahead and put that over my eyelid. And I did end up finding my primer, you guys. I did end up finding my primer. But you know what, you guys, where did I think it's in my box. I'm gonna have to go get it. I should have really had that beforehand, but I didn't, so I'm gonna have to go get that. But I'm gonna go in and just apply my BB cream first. I will go ahead and apply it on my neck, but you know what, you guys, let me go ahead and use my neck cream. I got this neck cream off of Amazon, and it's supposed to like help with like necklines and firm your neck, and it's anti-aging. I've been using it for maybe about a week. Yeah, so I barely started using it because I realized that I tend to look down a lot and type a lot on my phone, and so I noticed that I was getting necklines, and I wanted to do something more about that because my usual moisturizers were not helping me at all. Comb my eyebrows because I need to comb my eyebrows. As you guys can tell, I do have pretty full eyebrows. I usually wax them, but I don't like do it so often. I do it by myself at home. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and fill my my eyebrows here a little bit. And this is like a red brown color. I had dyed my hair before. It was supposed to be like a medium red brown color, and so that's why I have this red brown pencil here, which is completely like fine with me, because I just want to make my eyebrows look a little bit lighter than my hair color. And so yeah, yeah. And I do have like a tint that is liquidy, and that works better That works better to like lighten the eyebrows and give it appearance that it's like a lighter color instead of my black eyebrows. And obviously I'm not blonde. Primer I'm going to be using today is the Behind the Scenes Eye Primer from Lorac. And this primer is very light. Like you really don't need a lot of it. I do have I have the number 2 palette, so you really don't need a lot. I'm just gonna well, let's see.
I'm gonna scoot in here that way you guys can see that. And it definitely dries matte. And it's so light that sometimes it goes into that I had before.
With my Sailormoon palette. I really love this palette right now. I'm gonna do this lip color by Bare Minerals. It's the Boss color and it's the mini matte lip.
Okay, so we'll see.
Did you all notice? So one of the things that I'm noticing like right away is that there isn't any fallout when I applied this eyeshadow. Like there's like no fallout down here. So I know when I use concealer, I find that I do have a lot of fallout, and like my eyelashes are still black. So that's pretty amazing to me, you guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with, let's see here. I'm gonna go in with, I did want to use like a purple color because I think that would look really nice. But first I'm gonna go in with this gold color because I don't want to lose like the yellow tones to my eye. I kind of wanted to look a little bit gradient, like a yellow gold color. If that makes sense. And this color here has a lot of shimmer. It's more like a gold color. But I definitely don't want to lose the yellowness. I think that's going to be really important. And then with the yellow color, I'm gonna go in down here.
My purple color.
Okay, and I definitely want to apply some shimmer, you guys. So I'm gonna apply some of that shimmer. Here's the glitter color. And be very careful about using the glitter. Honestly, I don't even see any fallout, which is great. I'm gonna go in with my mascara. It's also from Misha. It's called 4D, so I'm gonna go in with this mascara. And I've lost my eyelash curler. I have no idea what I did or where it's at.
So we'll just use this and see how much my eyelash...
I'm gonna go ahead and use my Bare Minerals Pure Brightening Serum Foundation, and this one has an SPF of 20. And with this foundation, I believe, oh, okay, I'm a Bare Beige. That's like my color, Bare Beige. And I know I've mentioned this before, that for me, I have a lot of trouble finding like the right foundation color for me, but I think I am definitely a neutral skin tone color. But you know, like for the longest time I thought I was a warm, and then I thought I was a cool, but I seriously think that I'm just like a neutral skin tone color. Like that's the best foundation that looks the best for me. I'm not sure about this beige. It looks kind of yellow when I put it on. Okay, anyway, so hopefully that'll blend better. So I'm just putting it in with like my fingers here. Okay, and this foundation is super slippery. I don't know if you guys can see, like, can you guys see like my finger marks? It's like super slippery in that way. But what I do love about this foundation is that once it dries, it doesn't feel sticky, and it's not like too like hydrating where it feels sticky and like you have oil on your face. Yeah.
Powdered in here everywhere. Definitely going to be careful around my lip area.
Guys, for some reason my nose is running, but it's not even like my windows are closed, so I know it's not allergies. But anyways, 4th of July just happened, so I hope everyone had like an amazing 4th of July. So, and then just tap. Hopefully my foundation dries soon. It is more of a dewy foundation. I like more of a matte foundation, but I did want to try like a mineral foundation. Oh my god, my nose, it's like running. I have no idea why. And then of course bring it down to my neck. That way things match a little bit more. And this foundation has serum in it. So I've never had like any problems with the serum that's actually in it. Okay, and then I found an eyeshadow brush that I'm going to use to kind of blend this a little bit better here.
I just added like a little bit of purple, you guys.
I'm gonna do the cocoa, which is like a dark brown color, if you guys can see that, but it does have some shimmer. Oh my god, I just stabbed my palette.
So hopefully I don't have fallout here. And then I'm just gonna glide it. Oh, okay. Okay, and then try to get the corner there. Okay. Just going to follow like the.
So there we go. This is the look. Can you guys see that okay? Light hits. Okay, put some over my nose here a little. Here's the finished look. What do you think? I'm gonna change the light. I'm gonna do different lightings. That way you can see what it kind of looks like in different lighting. Yeah, so I'm still trying to figure out, you know, like the lighting, which one looks better. And okay, and then this is a different lighting. So maybe, I'm not sure if this one was like the best one to use. Maybe it wasn't, but you guys can see just like in different lighting what the makeup looks like. Yeah, so thank you all so much for watching my YouTube video. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Take care, you guys. Bye.